Hey guys, Dan here, stockmarketmentor.com, and I'm looking at Palantir. Why is that? I'll tell you why. Because the stock, I look at it still as an IPO. It's been trading less than a year. You see the kind of move it's made. A lot of money to be made back here, but none of it right now. That was yesterday. This is today. But what I'm looking at here is the fact that now we do have a 200-day moving average. We've got a 50-day moving average. Great. They're clustered together. They're like stacked. They're in this moving average stack right here, okay? And on top of that, we have the 20-day moving average. That's a little thin blue line here. And that is this middle Bollinger Band. So we've got the 200-day, which is the wide blue line, the 20-day, which is the skinny blue line, and we've got the red, which is the 50-day moving average, within 5% of each other, and the price is just barely right here. So what we really have going here is kind of a bona fide squeeze. Now, you could say, and you would be right, well, Dan, the real squeeze took place back here. Okay, yep, it did. Missed it. Sorry. But the stock now is done. It's gone through this this 3 phases of a squeeze that I discuss all the time, which is here's the squeeze. And then you could say either like, okay, the phase 1 breakout is right here, the phase 2 pullback is right here, and then the phase 3 follow through to new highs is right here. Yippee-ki-yay. Then we get another pullback and we're off to the races. You could say that. Or you could say, well, this is actually the phase 1 because it's just a brief little pullback. And then this is the phase 2, stopping at the 50, and now we're looking at a move higher. The thing is, it doesn't really matter. It's kind of like that stupid Elliott wave count. What the heck good is something when you're always having to change the count? That's a thing that's always been amazing to me about the Elliott wave proponents. It's a religion where, oh, the wave changed. Oh, well, that, now I'm recounting. Sure, great. That's not the way we trade. We trade on probabilities, and my probability tells me that now this stock has popped up above the 50-day moving average and is pulled back to here. I'm saying that right now is probably a pretty good time to really watch this very closely, because if there's buying that comes in here and props the stock up, then your next trading box is right here, which means that now you're buying near the bottom of the box and you're expecting this kind of move. So look, the takeaway from this is that the stock, this is still in a basing pattern, but the fact that it's got a moving average stack, 3 deep, 50, 20, 200, and the price is right there in the middle of them, that is an explosive situation still. And so watch this stock. What I would suggest doing, in fact, I'll set this alert for members, is look for a move above, say, 25. The real breakout would be above here, would be above 25.76. But what I like to do is give myself early alerts. So we'll set it like at 25.12, something like that. That's not a buy signal. That's a look at me signal. Members, when you get this email at 25.12, all the email is doing is saying, check out Palantir because it might be breaking out. Okay. All right. That's all I got for you here in this Fits in 5 video, formerly known as the free chart of the day. If you're not a member, check us out. We're working our butts off here, and our members are doing really, really well. One of these days, I'll start reading some of the recent feedback and testimonials and emails that I've received, but I don't want to start blushing.